to my YouTube channel, All Things Nira. My name is Nira. I also go by Kai. Anyhow, but today's video is going to be a haul. It's going to be a Burlington Coat Factory haul, and I have a whole bunch of goodies here. And it's been a minute since my last video, but I decided to go ahead and upload this video. And the reason why I decided to upload this video is because I like watching people's videos like this. Like, I really do. So like when you find come-ups at, stores that you normally wouldn't shop at. I normally don't shop at Burlington Coat Factory, and the only reason why I went into Burlington is because I like to get hair products and stuff like that. They have like a section where they have a whole bunch of like hair things, facial stuff, and just a whole bunch of knickknacks like they have in Target. I mean, not Target, like they have in Ross and Marshalls or whatever. But I found a product that works for my hair very well, and I swear by it. It's just like a game changer for my hair. And I've been going to like 3-4 different Burlingtons looking for the items that I got, and I'm going to show you the hair products. And I like went ham and bought like everything that they had by this brand. And let's get into it. Okay, so I will go through my clothing stuff first. And I didn't buy this all in one trip to Burlington. Actually, it was just 2 separate trips to Burlington. So let's get started. I'm gonna go with my clothing stuff, and then I'm gonna show you guys the hair products that I bought. And just FYI, today's hair is Diamond Virgin. Wait, what is it? I think it's Diamond Virgin Hair Company. Yeah, I think it's Diamond Virgin Hair Company, and this is I think I want to say it's Indian mink, or no, it's Brazilian mink hair. And I really like it. It does shed a little bit, but that's fine. You know what, any type of hair sheds. I'm sorry, you will never ever find any hair that doesn't shed. And I think my longest piece is, I want to say 20 inches, but I really love this mink hair. I bought some other mink hair that I'm going to do a video review on. I'm just waiting to get my wig cap so I can make the wig or whatever. And so I think I have 20, 18, I think I may have 22, 18, and 20, but I have like 4 bundles in here. So I just like pack the hair in here, but it's really beautiful. I love the way it feels. It's like super soft. And I just love the texture. The texture is what got me on this mink hair. Like, I swear, I think that's the only kind of hair I'll buy now is mink hair. Anyways, let's get into this haul about the clothing and stuff like that. So, disclaimer, not a disclaimer, but I found hella Adidas stuff, like hella Adidas stuff for hella cheap. So the majority of the stuff is going to be Adidas. So, came across these are women's, and then it's like this really nice Adidas sweatshirt. It's really comfortable, and I got this in a size extra large, and guess what, this was $21. So I like that. I like the material because it's really soft. And of course, I couldn't just get one color, I had to get 2 colors, so I got the white and white, and it's the same like so. And originally it says that they were $45, but the price at Burlington was $21, so I thought that was a steal. And then I came across this windbreaker jacket here, and it has the 3 stripes on the side here, and it zips all the way down. And I think there's like some pineapples on here. Yeah, I like the pineapples. And I don't know how much this retailed for, but I think this was a collection with somebody. Yeah, usually when they have stuff like this or whatever, and then like all this stuff or whatever, it's usually somebody did a collab with Adidas or whatever. I really don't know how much this jacket was originally, because there's no original price on here, but it was $29. And I just love all the colors in here. Like, I just really love the colors. And I got that in a, I got this in a large. Some Adidas stuff runs small and sometimes they run big. So it's just like hit or miss for me. Yeah. And then I got this top here, and it's just a long sleeve. And the reason why I got this one, it's actually a men's shirt, but it was the material was super thin, and the one that I have, it's a really thick material. And like I said, their women's stuff sometimes runs small, so it is a little snug on me, but I will still wear it, you know. But I just love the way that this fit on me, and I like how it has the little slits right here, and it's this right here. What does that say? I don't know, something like Climate Light or whatever. And it looks like this is like a skateboarder shirt or something because it says Adidas skateboarding, but I really don't care. I just like the way it fit, and it was $14.99, and this is a men's extra large. I got two shirts from the men's section, and I got this red one here, and it just has the, what do you call it, little stripe, 3 stripes, of course, whatever, and just regular red t-shirt. I had some deodorant stain on it or whatever, but I can easily wipe that off. And I got this in an extra large too, originally $28, and I got it for $14.99. You know what? I really want to take this off. I like literally have like my pajamas on. I have a robe on, but it's hot because of this freaking light. But anyway, let's just get through the video. And then I got this like really sheer little top or whatever. I used to have one, and I of course will just wear like a bodysuit underneath this, or you know, or whatnot. And I got this in a plus size section, and it was like a 1X, and it was like $4, $4.99. There's no tag on this one, but I brought the one that did have a tag. But yeah, I used to have one of these. I don't know where it went, and I actually really wanted another one, so I was glad that I found that. And then I bought this really nice chunky sweater, and I guess this is a leopard print or whatever, and it's really long. I wish that it had like slits on the side right here, but it's okay. It has pockets right here, but this is super comfortable, super soft, and it's gonna be for winter. And this I got in a size extra large, and it was only $14.99. So that was a really good price, and it's super warm, so that will keep me warm during the winter time. Okay, my next items, I got some pajamas. So I got a little cute Calvin Klein pajama set, and it just has these little shorts right here, and here was the little racer back tee. And for some reason, it could be freezing cold outside. I am always hot at night. I sweat so bad in my sleep. This was like $59. I got this in the extra large, and it was only $9.99. Like, major come up for Calvin Klein. So yeah, so I like to sleep in like almost nothing when I go to bed because I sweat so much and I get so hot. I even have to sleep with the window open. And like, I'm even hot right now. I'm like, it's not even my time in life for me to even go through menopause. I'm freaking 40. Shit. I would think I have a long ways to go. All right, let's get to the rest of the stuff. I don't know why I bought this, but I thought it was so freaking cute. This skirt. And it's just like a sheer skirt or whatever, and it gathers right here. It was in a petite extra large. It was $9.99. I thought this would be cute with some sneakers, some high tops or something, or some Converse. I don't know. I tried it on and I thought it was just like really cute, so I just got it. It was only $9. I think I would have liked it more if it didn't have like this design here and it was all sheer, but for the most part I did really like it, and that's why I bought it. And I had in my mind pictured how I wanted to style it, so why not? Okay, I think I have like maybe a couple more clothing items. And then this was just a regular women's extra large long sleeve tee. I am a sucker for long sleeves. I love long sleeve tees. And this is the brand Nike, and this is in a 2XL, a women's 2XL, and this was originally 30 bucks, and I got it for $9.99. So I was actually really shocked because I never ever shop for clothes in Burlington, and I was like, I need to start going there because when I went in there to get my hair products and stuff, I crossed by the activewear, and that's where I saw all this Adidas stuff and Nike stuff, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna go check out another one and see what else they have. I got these Nike sweatpants, and these are so comfortable, and they're like joggers, and they go to your ankle. It says that it's a slim short length, whatever that means, but for some reason it fits me perfect or whatever. They're super comfortable. They have pockets, which I love. And let's look for original price. Okay, so I don't know what that XLA means. Maybe it's an ankle size or whatever, but 50 bucks. And look at what they had it for, $16.99. I mean, like, even if you go to the outlets, I don't even think that you could get this good price at the outlets. You know, sometimes I usually come up at the outlets too, but yeah, that was really good price. I think I have, my little underwear. You guys don't need to see my underwear, but anyhow, I bought some underwear, and then the rest of my stuff is what kind of items? They're just like accessories and stuff like that. So I got this cute little fanny pack. Like, I don't know what drew this to me, but I just saw that and I just thought that it was so cute. And I'm like, I don't know, I like this print. And I actually have, if you guys saw one of my Zara hauls or whatever, I have some shoes that are the same material. Not the same material, but the same pattern. So that would be cute if I wore this together. And I also like this brand, Kinsey. I really like this brand. And guess what? This little cute little fanny pack was only $7.99. But yeah, I think this is so cute. And I love to wear a fanny pack. Yeah, this is super cute. So I got that. And then I'm gonna bring this bag a little bit higher up. Now, these socks right here, these are every day I wear these. They're just really thin socks, and they have this rubber lining around so they don't fall off. So I wear these with tennis shoes, I wear them with loafers or flats, whatever. I wear a lot of flats and loafers to work. But I like this material right here, like underneath your foot. Yeah, so I haven't had this brand. Not brand. I had this brand before, but I haven't had this one that has this little flowers. 2 Adidas sweaters and the jacket. So 2 for $60, $70. So yeah, so about like $225, $230 for all of the stuff. And I'm gonna show you the hair stuff. So that's a lot too. Okay, so this right here, this is by Lisa Rachel, and it's a coconut oil. It's a rejuvenating hair mask. It's made with 100% natural coconut oil, and it repairs damaged hair, brittle hair, smooths frizzes, helps prevent breakage, color safe, and preservative free. What I like about this is that it like totally relaxes, not relaxes, but it takes like the naps out of my hair, like it detangles it. When I use this and put this on my hair and get after I've washed and put the conditioner on, I use this as a conditioner on here, and when I get out the shower, I can literally just take my hands and pull my hair, my fingers through my hair like this, and when it's dry, it just feels so soft. Now this is $4.99. When I first bought this, I only bought one. I said, oh my gosh, I have to get some more. Went back, they were gone. One on Amazon, I kid you not. If you look up this brand right here, Lisa Rachel, $16.99 for this, $16. So I've been scouring, looking for it. So I bought one, I bought 2, I bought 3, I bought 4. And I'm not done. Oh, did I bust a hole in the bag? Damn. So what was that? 4. And then 5. This is how much I love this stuff. Okay. Another item that I found there is this Aunt Jackie's gel. Oh my gosh, I use this every day. I love this. Like, it smells so good. It just smells so freaking good. And this one, it was $5.99, and I bought three of these. I bought them, this is one, and I have 2 other in my cabinet, but I bought those at separate times. Okay, this stuff right here, this is by Lisa Rachel too. This is a coconut oil conditioner, and this stuff smells so good. And this was $6.99. $6.99. Went on Amazon. On Amazon, you'll find this for $18. $18. So I bought 1. I bought 2. I bought 3. I'm like, when I find stuff for my hair that works, oh, best believe. Oh, and it works on good. It works on the weave hair too. It's like, oh gosh, and it smells so good. So that was my haul from Burlington. Like I said, I went to Burlington or whatever. So don't sleep on Burlington. They have good stuff. Oh, and the lady was telling me that they had layaway, just for my information. Well, she asked me to sign up for a credit card. I said, oh no, I don't need a Burlington Coat Factory credit card. But she's like, oh, but I want to let you go. Let you know you can get $5 off your layaway. And I was like, oh, you guys do layaway? I was like, oh wow, I didn't know stores still did that. Like I didn't know that the store still did layaway. I think they might be the only store that does layaway or whatever. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed my little come up on Burlington. I think I found some really good stuff, but I think I'm gonna stay away for a while because I got stuff, a lot of stuff, but nice stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Flex OD, sex OD, you got it, girl, you got it.